Do you know the power of click? While gaming, a good click can give you winner winner chicken dinner. And in business, each new click can be a lead, a conversion, a long-lasting client, or that investor you were waiting for. But what if that click never happens? The average attention span of a website surfer is just 8 seconds, and a slow website can make that time pass very fast, rendering that priceless click worthless. Everything depends on your website, and making fantastic websites is our passion at IFW Web Studio, where every click is wondrous and every website is a work of art. 16 plus years, 1,000 plus clients, 10 plus technologies, we have served many industries and their unique demands. From e-commerce to educational institutes, services, handicrafts, hospitality and tourism, real estate, personal websites, and healthcare websites. Our expertise has stood the test of time, and we are ready with a brand new persona for a brand new world. Our websites are seamless, fast, responsive, intuitive, smart, and just beautiful. And beyond making awesome source websites, IFW Web Studio offers a wide array of services, from domain registration to website hosting to Google Ads, search engine optimization, email gateways, payment gateways, SMS gateways, WhatsApp APIs, content writing, e-commerce portals, WordPress and WooCommerce websites, and custom websites. You may be a business, a professional, an artist, or you might be providing a knowledge or some service. Whatever you have got will get you onto the digital map, will get you your audience, will get you that priceless click, and it will be worth it. IFW Web Studio will make you proud.